I'm Sarah Haverstick, safety advocate with Evenflo. So you found the perfect car seat for your next decade of adventure with your little thrill seeker, but now you need to know how to install it. Well, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to install the Evenflo EveryFit all-in-one car seat in forward-facing mode with lower anchors and tether. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. Now, squeeze the recline handle on the front of the seat and adjust the seat to the upright position. Unhook the tether from the rear of the car seat. Place the car seat on your vehicle seat so that the child will be facing the front of the vehicle. Always make sure the bottom of the car seat sits flat on the vehicle seat. Lay the tether strap across your vehicle seat back. We will attach the tether to your vehicle in a few steps. Unbuckle and loosen the harness. Then remove the head pillow and body pillow. These are not used in forward-facing mode. Detach the lower anchor connector from each side of the car seat. Now we will move the lower anchor connectors from the rear-facing to the forward-facing belt path. It helps to remove some of the car seat pad to access the lower anchor strap. Make sure the lower anchor connector is facing upright and connect each side to the corresponding anchor bar in your vehicle. To tighten the car seat, grab the excess tail and route it through the forward-facing belt path. With one hand, give firm pressure in the center of the seat while you pull the tail to tighten the excess strap with the other. Make sure the lower anchor strap lies flat and is not twisted, and then replace the seat pad. To check for tightness, grab the seat at the belt path where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. If the car seat moves more than 1 inch when checking at the belt path, try to tighten the installation again. If that doesn't work, you may need to change seating positions or switch from a lower anchor to a seatbelt installation. Connect the tether from the back of the car seat to the corresponding anchor bar in your vehicle. Then pull the tail to remove excess slack. For any additional questions, all Evenflo car seats come with ParentLink customer service perks, like real-time chat support and free live video installation service. For more information, please visit evenflo.com.